Welcome to the chapter of area of regular polygon. We have two jobs. The job item A says, let's find the measure of angle 1. Angle 1 is right here. It is given to us ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. If it's regular hexagon, let us review. That means all this tick mark gonna tell us all the sides gonna have same length. And also these angles, they will have the same angle measure. Alright, we reviewed what is called regular hexagon, and also I just erased all these extra tick marks so that you can see a much cleaner diagram here for you. Now we're going to find a measure of angle 1. Since this is a regular hexagon, and also it is inscribed in a circle, therefore we're going to use 360 divided by 6. Why divided by 6? Because hexa is 6. If it's a pentagon, we're going to divide by 5. That's right. Heptagon, we're going to divide it by 7. And make sure you are using regular polygon here. Alright, so we divide by 6. If we divide by 6, each one is 60. Okay, so who are 60? These angles I just added here. 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Very good. Now if you say this angle called EHD is 60 degrees. And this magenta is called Apothem. Apothem is a perpendicular bisector of ED, and also its angle bisector of EHD. Therefore, measure of angle 1 is measure of angle EHG, which is 60 divided by 2, because being bisected, it is 30 degrees. Alright, don't leave because we have item B, we need to solve it. We definitely can find the area of this little triangle called HED. Then we're gonna times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have total 6, so we're going to times 6. But we have a much better way to find the area of a regular polygon. We say area of regular polygon is 1/2 times Apothem, and times n is how many sides we have, and times SS is side length. You can also say it's 1/2 times A, that's Apothem, because how many sides times side length is actually perimeter. So you definitely can say it's 1/2 times A times P. Alright, let's say, do we know Apothem? How long it is? We don't know it yet, but we can find out. Do we know how many sides we have? We go here, look, it's hexa. Hexa is 6. So we know this one. Do we know the side length? We don't know it yet, but we're going to find it out. Now, we're going to pull out a little triangle. And it's not drawn to scale, but you will see why we're doing this. This is 90 degree, right? 90 degree. And this is H, this is E, this is G. Remember earlier we said this angle 1. Angle 1, we found out angle 1 is 30 degrees. Therefore, this little triangle, we just pulled it out, is actually a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. It is given HD is 60, therefore HE is also 60. Why? Because all this, if we connect this center of the circle, center of the polygon, to these vertices, all these are radii. That's right. So given to us HD is 16, we immediately know HE is also 16. If HE is 16, in this right special triangle 30, 60, 90, EG is half of 16, that's 8. HE would be 8 times the square root 3. Just in case you forgot about it, let's quickly review. If you know it, you can fast forward this part. In 30, 60, 90 triangle, if this is 1 unit, this is 2 units, and this longer leg would be 1 times the square root 3. On some books, you see this. They give you the variable. They say if this is x, this is also always 2x, this would be x times the square root of 3. That is the relationship. Once you find out this longer leg in this triangle, we just put it out, HG is 8 times the square root of 3. You actually know Apothem is 8 times the square root of 3. That is the long leg in this special right triangle. It is also the apothem in this regular hexagon. And then guess what? EG is 8. And EG is half of the side length. So half is 8. Then we double it. The whole side length is 16. Now we got everything we need. And we can start to calculate the area of this regular hexagon, but don't be so fast, because when you copy down, make sure you also copy down this 1/2. So you have 1/2 times Apothem, that's 8 square root of 3, times how many sides? 6 sides, times the side length, 16, and do not forget your 1/2, okay? All right, now we're going to use the calculator if you wish, and we have is about 665 square units. If you don't say what is given to you like a centimeter, meter, or feet, you just write down units. All right, this is how we find the area of regular polygon that is inscribed in the circle. Happy learning!